by the name of Vin Rock.
And I'm KG.
And we are Naughty by Nature.
And
We got Naughty by Nature in the house, mentoring a group of young people. This is beautiful to see.
This is how we began as Naughty by Nature. In a community center just like this, amongst our friends, we learned to break dance, beatbox, we played sports, arts and crafts. So whatever you do, as you continue to grow up, you make sure you stay involved in community, because no one does it alone, okay? And with the adults here, your supervisors and administrators, there's nothing like them, and there's nothing like a best friend. So no matter what, if you feel a little insecure, you feel a little nervous, nothing gets you through it like a good team. So always depend on your team, always depend on your friends, and you'll go through life. I mean, we've been doing this for most of our lives, over 40 years of our lives doing it together. So teamwork makes the dream work. Continue on and continue to explore all of your talents. You did a great job. Thank you.
Woo!
I want to thank Naughty by Nature for coming through to Darwin, Northern Territory, on Larrakia country. We'd like to respect them and thank them once again for performing here. We also